Have you always envisioned yourself as a homeowner? You work hard and you're trying to put some money aside for the deposit on your first real home. You love your city life and dream of owning a piece of it. But you know, the reality of big city prices hits hard. Saving for a down payment feels like an insurmountable hurdle. You're not alone. Many people face the same struggle. The traditional route to homeownership, saving a huge down payment or deposit, seems impossible. You're stuck in the seemingly endless cycle of renting, watching your money disappear each month with nothing to show for it. But there is an alternative path to homeownership. The concept of lease options is fast becoming the go-to alternative to conventional mortgages. Could this be the solution you've been searching for? Could you actually buy a home with no money down? Let's find out. Lease options, often called rent-to-own, present a unique approach to buying a home, especially for those like yourself who may struggle to find the funds or save enough money for a large down payment. This method has fast been gaining popularity among first-time homebuyers and those with less than perfect credit scores. It bridges the gap between renting and owning, offering a glimmer of hope to many who feel stuck in the rental cycle. It offers a way to get into a property faster, build equity, and eventually secure ownership. For many, this is the dream come true. A chance to finally have a place to call your own without the immediate financial burden of a traditional mortgage. Essentially, a lease option is a two-part agreement. This structure provides flexibility and a clear path to home ownership, making it an attractive option for those who need time to improve their financial situation. First, there's the lease portion. This is a standard rental agreement, allowing you to live in the property for a set period, typically 1 to 5 years. During this time, you pay rent just like any other tenant, or you could even rent out the property to someone else. This period gives you the opportunity to save money, improve your credit score, and prepare for the eventual purchase of your property. It's a time to settle in and truly make the house feel like home. Then comes the option part. This is where the real magic happens. This gives you the exclusive right, but not the obligation, to purchase the property at a predetermined price before the lease expires. This means you can lock in a price today, even if the market value of the property increases over time. This combination of renting and a locked-in purchase price is intriguing. You can see the enormous potential, right? It is a way to secure your future in a home you love without the immediate pressure of a large financial commitment. But how does it work in practice? Are there hidden pitfalls or unexpected challenges that could derail your plans? And you know, is it really as good as it sounds? You are about to find out. The more that you learn about lease options, the more they'll seem tailored to your situation. You may feel overwhelmed by the idea of buying a home with all the financial commitments and long-term responsibilities it entails. One of the most appealing aspects is the ability to test drive a home before committing to buying. This means that you could explore different neighborhoods and house styles without the immediate pressure of a purchase. Imagine renting an apartment or a house, but instead of your rent just disappearing, it contributes to something bigger, much bigger. A portion of your monthly payments goes towards building equity in the property you will actually own one day. This concept is revolutionary for those that grab this opportunity now, especially if you have always seen rent as money lost. That's the power of a lease option. It bridges the gap between renting and owning, offering a unique blend of flexibility and investment. You get to live in the house, experience the neighborhood, and assess if it truly fits your lifestyle before making a final decision. This hands-on experience is invaluable. This try before you buy aspect is a game changer for you. It gives you the confidence to move forward without the fear of making a costly mistake. It alleviates the pressure of making a rushed decision based solely on open houses and walkthroughs. You can take your time, weigh up your options, and make an informed choice. You can now truly envision yourself in the home and neighborhood long-term. This peace of mind is priceless, making a lease option the perfect solution for you. Lease options involve some unique financial elements that are important to understand. These elements can be quite different from traditional home buying methods, and it's crucial to grasp their implications fully. Firstly, there's usually an upfront option fee paid to the seller, securing your right to purchase the property later at a price that is fixed prior to signing any paperwork. This fee is often non-refundable, but can sometimes be negotiated as part of the purchase price. Think of it as a deposit on your future purchase. It's a way to show your commitment and serious intent to buy the property. Then there's the monthly rent. This rent is slightly higher than the typical market rate because a portion of it is allocated towards your future down payment. Here's the exciting part. A portion of your rent often goes towards your down payment. This means that every month, you're not just paying rent, but also building equity in your future home. This rent-to-own structure allows you to build equity even before officially becoming the homeowner. It gives you the financial flexibility and time to prepare for the final purchase. Finally, at the end of the lease term, you decide whether to exercise your option and purchase the property at the predetermined price. This decision is crucial and should be made after careful consideration of your financial situation and the property's value. This price is agreed upon upfront, protecting you from future market fluctuations. It provides a sense of security, knowing that the price won't change regardless of market conditions. If the value of the property increases during your lease, you benefit from the appreciation. This can be a significant advantage, allowing you to gain equity and potentially profit from the rising market. Click the link in the description below and grab the ebook that contains every piece of information you need to make your dream a reality. Inside the book, we will take you by the hand and guide you through every step of this process. You'll have access to the information and resources that will turn your dream into reality. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep you updated with every aspect of purchasing your dream home or owning a property portfolio.